Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply Uber Eats delivery job in Italy. To apply for an Uber Eats delivery job in Italy, follow these steps. First of all, visit the Uber Eats delivery page. Then sign up to deliver. Click on the sign up to deliver button. You will be prompted to create an account and log in if you already have one. Now complete the application form. Provide necessary details such as your name, contact information, and preferred delivery method like bicycle, scooter, or car. Now upload required documents. Submit any required documents such as identification and proof of vehicle as specified during the application process. Review and submit. Carefully review your application and submit it for consideration. And finally, wait for approval. After submission, Uber Eats will review your application. If approved, you will receive instructions on how to start delivering. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.